what do we have here? A little landscape diorama I made with things I found yesterday, waiting for the guy to fix my tire, and today picking up garbage around my apartment complex. So I've been looking at this rock for a long time. I thought that'd be a good background. And it's right outside my front door. And so I said, well, I'll need something to scrape it to make it flat to get the dirt out of the way. So I went to take the garbage out this morning. And look what I found. It's just amazing. I always find the tools I need. So this not only was good to scrape the dirt, but it was also good to pat it down. So then I just used a little plastic clamshell from an action figure package and filled it up. So I'll take some still shots for DeviantArt. So if you want to look there, maybe I'll try to pose a figure too. So there you go, something a little different from Seattle, and I'm out.